Hey guys, do you have a running list on your phone of things that you want to try? Like stuff that influencers keep talking about, you keep seeing advertised, keeps coming across your feed, and you're like, screenshot, I'm going to look at that the next time I'm in store because I want to see it in person. Well, I do, and I have 4 things that I went ahead and picked up a couple of weeks ago I've been playing with, and I wanted to share them with you, let you know what's worth it, what is maybe something you can hold off on, and you never know. Some of your things on your list might be on my list, and we can swap lists. It's for this look right here. Let's get into it now. Okay, so let's get started. But first, I want to talk about hair for a second because me and my hair, we are going through it. I have been trying 3 different EcoSlay curly hair products. Some days are really good and some days are not. We're going through it. Just all right, but I'm doing it for you guys because I want to know what's worth your money. It's not a cheap brand. Anyway, all right, so it's off the face. Let's get into some of this stuff. First thing I want to do is put some blush on. I need to adjust lighting. Okay, so the first thing is the Makeup by Mario. This is their Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in the shade Rose Crush. I saw so many people talk about this, and I had screenshot a specific color that I will put on the screen because I can't remember it right now. It was so pretty, and it was right up my alley because I really like a subtle blush, but when I was playing around with it at Sephora, it almost blended right in with my skin. You wouldn't be able to tell I had anything on. So I trusted my gut and I went with this Rose Crush color, and it's so pretty. I'll do a little swatch for you. The consistency of this is a cream blush. The thing is, cream blushes don't do well on me. My skin just absorbs it, but this is the one. This is the one I finally found that will last. It blends nicely, it layers nicely upon itself. You can do just a really soft wash of color, or you can really build it up. I absolutely love this one, and I haven't been able to stop using it since I got it. So let me show you what this looks like. There, just a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna go build this sucker up because it's so pretty. It deserves to be the star of the show. That's it. 2 passes. And it is gorgeous. It has a nice soft glow. It's not too intense. It's not too matte. It's like that perfect kind of middle ground finish. Gorgeous. And then just for a little good measure, just a little tap along the forehead because I am a 90s bitch. All right, already looking a little more put together. So that one is definitely worth it. If that's on your list, I'm telling you, treat yourself to that. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is eyeliner and mascara. And I don't know if I'm gonna do any eyeshadow today. Okay, so eyeshadow is done. I'm moving on to eyeliner. This is the Sephora 12-hour retractable, and it's got a little smudger tip on the end. I had this on my list of things to look into in the shade Tiramisu, and it's been on the list for, I don't know, like maybe 2 years. I think Jessica Braun suggested this one. They don't make it anymore in that shade, so this is number 30, Matte Chocolate Brown. I was so impressed with the number of brown eyeliner choices that they had. It is such a nice, rich brown, and I absolutely love the color. I have worn this several times since I got it, and I will say it's not 12-hour. So if you need something that's going to last you on a long haul, like throughout the day, I would suggest one of the felt tip marker ones that I've talked about before. There's several different good ones. I'll put them on the screen here and here that I do recommend that'll definitely last you the long haul. No smudging at all. This transfers on me. I like it, and it goes on nicely. My favorite thing about this is the tone of brown. If you watch me with any regularity at all, you know that I usually use those felt tip type liners. Very rarely do I break away from those just because the application is so simple and quick. I can do the look I want every time with 0 problem. This looks nice. It is even, it is smooth application. It's not pulling or tugging on my eyelid at all, but just because the smudger is here and I want to show you what this can do, I am going to go ahead and use it a little bit. I honestly don't think I have used it before, and if I have used the smudger, I don't remember my results, but it's not doing much of anything. And it's a little rough. It's sort of scratchy on my eyelids, so I don't care for that part so much. Let's leave it at that and not make it worse and move on to the next product. So many people talked about this mascara. This is the Tower 28 Making Waves, and when I saw that they had it in brown, I don't know, that was probably like a big deal when it first came out. I just don't remember that. I jumped all over it. And it's a nice mascara, but there are several at the drugstore level that are just as good, if not better. So I've been using it. I enjoy it. I don't find that it transfers really. I haven't had any problems with that. It's just that for the fullness level I like, this isn't really delivering. For a more natural look, this is a good one. And I can go in and use it and rely on it and know that I'm not going to have to fight with it like I do with some of the other mascaras. And when I say that, I mean using the lash comb or having to get in there with like a needle and separate lashes that have kind of clumped together. That I'm not going to have to do that with this. So in regards of like ease of application, yeah, this is a really good one. I just think there's plenty affordable ones at the drugstore level that are just as good. Okay, so this is one coat on each side. And I'm only doing top lashes today because it's that kind of day. Let's go in with another coat, see what we can do. So you see a difference between 2 coats and 1 coat. I'm gonna dip back in. The wand on this is one of those that will really benefit from getting in there at the base of your lashes and curling the wand itself as you go up the length of your lash. You know, some mascara wands you can just walk by, like the real plushy, full, plump looking ones, you can just walk by it and boom. This type of rubber based wand is not that. You've got to put a little effort in, you've got to have the technique down. Okay, so that's 2 coats on each side. I am happy with it, but let's see what 3 coats does. I feel like I've done 3 coats with this. With something like this, you don't want to let your mascara dry between coats because these little rubber bristles will just kind of start shellacking it on rather than nicely spreading the product through your lash. Okay, so I'm going to stop because I'm seeing that I need to get my lash comb out now, so I don't want to get to the point where it gets clumpy. Okay, so 3 coats run through with the lash comb, and I think we're looking pretty good. I actually don't even really notice much. Maybe one little tiny bit of transfer up here, and we're good. So yeah, that's a thumbs up. I do like that mascara. I just don't know that you need to absolutely run out and try it if it's on your list of things to try. As a bonus, when I was at Sephora, it's my birthday month, so I picked up the Makeup by Mario birthday set, and this is a lip liner and lipstick, and the liner is in the shade. It's the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in Rich Mauve and the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in Rosewood Glow. These are really nice, but this isn't what I bought. Like, this was the free birthday gift. So when I show you what I want to show you for the other lip product that I actually did buy that's been on my list, that's going to be what I'm going to wear throughout the day, but I do want to show you what this looks like because I've got it. Okay, so there's our lined lips. I guess I should do it. Let me like swatch this liner. That was stupid. Okay, so there's the liner. And then here's the lipstick. That's more like a balm right next to it. Super pretty. And I'm very impressed with the texture on this. It goes on so smooth and feels really nice. And the pigment on it is really impressive for something that's supposed to be a lip serum type product. It's not necessarily advertised as a lipstick. Do we like? Yes. Yes, we do like that. We hesitate to even wipe it off because we like it, but you have to see this last thing that I got. It's my most favorite of all. This is the Merit Signature Lip Liner in the shade Bespoke. Pretty sure I heard Tati is the one that was talking about this. This shade is so perfect for lining and then just a little bit of like a tinted gloss or something over it. Just, you look like a supermodel. Watch this. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me swatch it. I'm gonna put it between. Okay, so this is Bespoke between the eyeliner and the other. Look at how nude this is. This is like the perfect shade. You might even think it looks a little bit brown there, but can I just show you? Just sit down and watch. If you want to do that plumping trick where you go under your lip line to make your lips just look like a little bit more full, this is the shade to do it with. I just like to go in a little bit, maybe halfway, rather than just lining it. This color is so worth using as a lipstick. I can't even begin to tell you. But I want to show you the nice effect this has when you're just doing about halfway. You could even like go across your Cupid's bow if you want to cheat having a more full upper lip too. The way that when I use this on my full lip as like a lip color, it's moist and you can like literally move your lips around. It's like having balm on. Like, how are you just a lip liner? Now, I will say because of that, the staying power is not super great. But we're not here for staying power. We're here for impressive, oh my gosh, I've always wanted to try this. I'm so glad I finally have this product items. So I'm gonna go over it with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I think this is the vanilla, because I don't want a strong lip color. I just want to emphasize this liner. I'm sorry. What? It's natural, but almost sculpted in a way. Like I can't even put into words why and how this is such a beautiful look, but it is. And if you've ever considered getting the shade Bespoke, you'd be better do it. See what okay, so that's it, guys. It was just a couple of things that were on my list that I've been wanting to show you. Now, as I'm going through and taking off the swatches, this is the eyeliner. So it's staying, and I'm even using like micellar water to try to get it off, and it's not. It's really staying nicely on there. But I have had transfer with it on my eyelids, so that's great, but eyelid is where it matters. However, it does give a nice look. Like I'm satisfied with the look right now. So I'm just gonna hit myself. I just need a little powder. If you like that one, this is the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance. Mine is in the shade 115 Classic Beige. And I'm gonna do a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so that is it. I am set for my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have this running list on your phone, please share with me what's on it, because I might need that stuff too. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Click the like. It helps me out very much. And apparently there's some sort of boost button thing that you can do now too that will recommend this video to other people. So come on. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.